Kyokubanga ogaba invitations oba abayimbi balina okujja ku mukolo ng'ogwo kuba bangi be twataalabyewo ate era maybe nga bandyagadde okubeerawo.
First and foremost, yesterday it was a Saturday. That's when most of the musicians are very, very busy. We were actually very impressed to see such a number. Most of the MCs, comedians, musicians, DJs, they'll be so busy during Saturday and Sunday, mostly. From Friday to Sunday, we're always very busy. And so many of our colleagues were out for performances, you know. And but that's what the number we managed to get. But still, we did not manage to invite everyone. Not because they don't deserve it. They deserve it, but we did not have space. So we decided at least to invite 10 from each association. Only 10. Because we did not have space. And maybe capacity. So we decided to cut the number. All these days they brought 10. Yes.
Era background yeyo ebigambo bingi byogerwa nti tutwalabyeko bayimbi bamanyikiddwa azin ku album tebabaddeko gwe nga ggwe wabadde n'enteekateeka zo
ndi mumanyifu lwakuba wabisiogera Jambo here is very popular in intention to ask the people there, and so many guys because of Laxi. There are so many people that you don't know. You understand? And another thing, we wanted to bring vibrance, new blood. You know, we wanted to give a platform. You know, we wanted to give a platform, and nobody started big. We all started from somewhere. You know, and even though the big artists, they have their individual projects, you know. So, and we could not all of us fit on the album. And many of them, they even got an opportunity to Bonga now, which it would be so very meaningful to bring other guys. And yes, but here in Buganda, we had in the central, we also had very popular people. Very popular. Many guys are on. Guys,
Eddie abampita Ivan Kachumbali. Kibuzo kyange era kiri ku nsonga y'eggulo abamu gye tubadde tetumanyi bulungi nnyo gye twagala oklarifying n'okumatiza. Bwagambye nti nno gavumenti wakati mukuwako ku ssente ezimu za kuyambako oggula ekifo kino era ky'abayimbi.
Chabayimbi president as a community facility like rehabilitation center. Right now, our brothers here, they come from Soroti, Teso, Lango, where and they sleep here. They have a home in Kampala. They cannot to Sabakwata Island so that they know. They come here for recording. They come here for mix and master. They come here for interviews like now. They come here for performances. They can have where they can sleep at a cheaper cost or even nothing, but in a way that is manageable. Because we are one family, not because they are poor, they don't have money to whatever, but as an industry, because they contribute a lot to the GDP. They contribute a lot to the, because music, creative sectors like number 3, you know, after construction, agriculture, then church allow tourism now, and then creative sector. So they deserve this. So because people are kachatambula, there are some things that are still moving on. I'm not even allowed to talk about this. Though we had to tell the president, because he even said yes, maybe it is already paid or not, but it's already. So I don't think we should also proceed from there, but this is musician's place. The National Theatre is a creative place for all creatives. Even we have the office of the SPA, the Senior President Advisor on the Creative. the offices in Muyenga when other creatives don't come here. Only music. Other creatives go to me. You know? So we are still in the beginning. Roma was not built in one day. So I cannot have a lot of explanation about these things until everything is ready, then we shall get it.
Thank you. Kosa nilia watu wakama. Kana vitoke kumanye ngake mbata. Wapo anu. Sahihi kanga sema
That is a very sensitive question because according to my background, I was born in my according to the people who knew my during that time I had an idea of the story today, but I wasn't sure. And by the time I never come mama one for like 5 years. I know so now I'm going to retire. Tetubeera naye nga tetumanyi tumanyi by then nga wali omukulu wange maani naye ng'agenda tubeera ekyotera bava Masaka ekyotera kati nga manda wayo najja naye omukyalo atero mama wange yetabeera nange maani Sama na mimi kutakana close na mama wangu kwa na mera nini. Then kulanga manyibe. Nebe natani kokubanga nkula, so many people started claiming that so survive. But until one time some years ago nga nzi asanyufu ngendalimdoza ngajanga balina some proof nze ndikana kama nze nkulidde ku street natandika okwelabira from the age of 5-6 until ezimba nga simanyi taata wange nisira simanyi mama muganda wa mama wange kusaidia mama wange nali manyie ne taata mama wange yasooka kitawe nanda taata we bamuziikana mu ttaka lya kansa kubanga yalina italina baganda bwe baali bali awo so mama wange bamuziika myezi kayisizo emyezi bwe ziranda bamuziika mu maka ga bakwanule baba ideni yali yakolana aliinti mukwano gwe ba family yaliifu se family aga kati yakwagana muziika era it's my favorite till today kati mwalo kutandika n'okuyimba mfuse wa kabi waliwo abantu abagenda kulusisa enjawulo nebandagako ebipirimu so I decided to go. This thing is sensitive because we have to represent and they are my sisters. You know, I have my sisters. I have my auntie. And the champion is to go. Take it. again. So we put it came out sensitive. But still, it's my father, man, share. Yazala mama, abana. So is my father. Plan money tiara. So is my father. And bino ne bijja nemulabalira. So I kept quiet. Danga kuzenze kasina kimani. There is no bond. Ndi hasla wa ku street. Ndi muganda ndi musajja muganda zo kino kyali kyabakanda. Kimani. Yani bimbaga namuka. Kayinde wendatula bitula n'omuganda embozi sumu bubi. Simu bubi n'ekimani kyekindi mu. So bond on it never had time. But with the time together to get to Zimba, it has taken some years. That's why I didn't find it necessary to talk about it, because it is visible. I don't want even to go further, but it is whatever it is what it is. That's what I can say, but all in all, God is good. I'm here, I'm a superstar today. Everyone knows me. I have family. I have people friends who turned into family. I have fans who turned into family. I have a very, very big, wide family. I've managed to make some money. I went back to Masaka. I bought a big land. I started my own family as number one to begin with. But today, I'm so grateful that some things are coming out today, and it's always good to have a belonging, but that we shall see. I'm so grateful for everything. I don't want so many questions about that thing. That's what I can say for now. I don't proceed further.